If you are serious about advertising online, then you need to understand what the Google Display Network is and how it can help your campaigns. Hello, I'm Mozair and thanks for watching this video. The Google Display Network, or GDN, is the biggest advertising network online. It has over 2 million high-quality websites where advertisers can show their display ads in a number of formats, including text, video, images, and rich media ads. Advantages of Google Display Network. The main advantage of the GDN is that it can help you to reach people while they are surfing the internet, on their favorite sites, watching a YouTube video, or checking their Gmail. Designed to help you find your audience online, the GDN has targeting options that allow you to show your ads to your potential customers at the right time and place. Here are my top 5 tips to help you approach targeting within GDN. Find new customers. Using audiences, you can target people who are likely to be interested in your product and help you to identify a new client base. You can also set up a remarketing campaign to engage customers who have bought from you or visited your website in the past. Drive conversions with automation. You can set up automated targeting within GDN to help you to get more conversions by identifying high-performing audiences based upon their existing customer base. As time goes on, Google Ads will automatically optimize your ads to learn which audiences work for you. Automated bidding also adjusts your bids to help you achieve the return on investment that you want. Inspire with images. Media-rich display ads are a great way to engage your audience. This can be achieved through responsive display ads, image ads, video ads, or Gmail ads that display at the top of the audience's inbox. Timing. The GDN can help you to get the attention of your customer early in the buying cycle so that you are at the forefront of the mind when they are ready to spend. Measure results. Within Google Ads, you can see how well the ads are performing, whether you are meeting goals, and which websites are running your ads. This will also allow you to determine where you are getting the most clicks and which sites give you the best return on investment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.